Hello, my name is Catherine Claire Bornay, but you can call me Casey. Currently, I'm an MMA student here in Benilde, and I'm also a creative director for the brand Hiraya Pilipina. Ang mga products nila is yung mga boob tape, yung mga ganon. Ako yung nag-handle ng mga photoshoots and yung branding. It started when I was in senior high. Nag-take talaga ako ng arts and design track kasi una pa lang, ito na talaga yung gusto kong gawin. Like, multimedia talaga, halo-halo. And hindi ako makapili. Gaano naman ako nakapag-gain ng experience until pumasok ako ng college. Dito, medyo dumami na yung mga opportunities ko kasi nga, tinart ko na siya during senior high. Dito na rin ako natanggap sa Hiraya. Sa Hiraya Pilipina, nag-join lang ako ng parang competition na mag-submit ng design ng poster na may advocacy for empowerment ng women. Tapos hindi ako nakuha, pero nagustuhan siya ng CEO, which is si Cleo Loque. Doon niya ako minessage na parang, hello, gusto mo ba mag-design ng mga tote bags for brand nila? And umuha ako. Tapos mula nun, nag-go with the flow na ako until napunta ako dito. Being a working student is worth it. Worth it siya for me kasi I gained a lot of not only experience and opportunities, I gained a lot of friends, I gained a lot of memories na matitake ko talaga until after I graduate and until when I grow old. Marami akong na-experience na never kong naisip na may experience, like working with celebrities and working with famous people. Siyempre, pag napapanood ko sila sa TV, naisip ko na, ay, makaka-work ko sila. Dati, I thought na the industry is so big na hindi ko siya ma-reach. Pero now, the world is getting bigger, the industry is getting smaller, if you get what I mean. Like, naging reachable siya for me. So, ayun, masasabi kong very worth it ang pagiging working student. Pero, dapat strong-willed ka talaga. And, mag-stick ka sa passion mo. Hindi siya yung work lang for you kasi mag-burnout ka talaga. Pero, manage your time. Yun. Para hindi ka rin magkaroon ng mga mental blocks. The best advice I can give to students who consider being a working student is go. Gawin mo lang. Bala Nike, just do it. It can be overwhelming and sometimes it can be impossible, it can feel impossible, pero be present lang and be there. Go. Go talaga. Go. Go, go, go. Kasi if you don't start now, when? Wala talagang right timing para mag-start.